Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are learning Ayat 9 of Surah Al-An'am and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ولو جعلناه ملكا لجعلناه رجلا Makhraj of wow is circling your lips. Fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Low. This is lean. This is wow lean. Wow lean and ya lean. Wow. ساكنة قبلها مفتوح. قبلها مفتوح. يا ساكنة قبلها مفتوح. These are the two lean letters. So we say this is wow lean and this is ya lean. Lean means to make it soft. So when you are attaching fatha with wow, you are connecting it with softness. Law, walau, ja. Jim is majhura letter. There should not be any flow of breath. Ja, ja, al, ain from your throat. For fatha open jaws, attach with lam. Lam you get sipa of tawassut. And tawassut is medium flow of sound, so don't touch the boundary of rakhawa. It's not too long. Al, na is 2 counts long. Hu, for the circular lips, the sound is short. Ma, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. La, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Mala, kal. This is idgham without gunda. So you are not keeping the sound in your nose at all. Kalla, la, for fatha open your jaws. Ja, again, jim is majhura. There should not be any flow of breath here. Ja, al, ain from your throat for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam you get sipa of tawassut. Na, 2 counts long. Hu, for the circle lips. Ra, ra is heavy whenever ra has fatha or the it is heavy. Ra, ju, for the circle lips, the sound is short. Law, idgham with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Law, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. La, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. La, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. So all these 3 letters should have same length. Wa la la, bas. For fatha open jaws attached with sin. Sin will get sifa of rakhawa. It has safir and it is light. Bas, but don't press so hard that the rakhawa gets stuck. No, let it flow. Bas, na, 2 counts long. Noon is from your nose, but not mud letter. Na. There's difference between na and na. That is wrong. The mud letter should be without any nasal sound. Na, wala labas, na, ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. Again, there is yailin, so you are making it soft. Lai, him. This is gum shafawi. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Him, ma, 2 counts long. Yel, yeah, keep ya light for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawasut. Yel, b for kasra, give e sound and give kasra where it's haq. Be soon. Because of the waqf, you are giving temporary sukoon. This temporary sukoon has made this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mada adat li sukoon. ولو جعلناه ملكا لجعلناه رجلا وللبسنا عليهم ما يلبسون. هو مخرج الواو circling your lips. Fatha open jaws. La, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Wow and lam are light. Qaf is heavy. So when any heavy letter is coming up, so don't make letters beside it heavy. Waw is light, lam is light, keep them light, and qaf is heavy. Wala qadis. For kasra, give e sound attached with sin will get sifa of rakhawa. and safir, and it is light. This, and let it flow. So if you are leaving little space to let the sound flow, this is rakhawa. If you're blocking it and you're not letting the sound flow, then the rakhawa will be damaged. وَلَقَدِسْتُهُ for the circle ellipse. Attach with ha, ha will get sifa of rakhawa. To, and as you will touch ha, your lips should be in a straight position. To, z. So when you are making it, you are bringing it on a normal position. What is normal position? When you are removing the effects of dhamma, this is your normal position. So don't stretch behind. Just make it normal. To, z for kasra give e sound. A for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. B for kasra give e sound. Oru, ra is heavy for dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short. Su for dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short. Bi'u su, all three letters are short. Bi'u su lim, idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mia, this kasra should not be ignored because of this ikhfa, because for ikhfa we are getting ready and we don't pay attention to the letters before and after it, so be very careful. Me give me sound and then create this heavy ikhfa. Me qab, qaf is heavy, ba is light. Qab li for kasra give e sound. Ka for fatha open jaws. Fa, give hams in fa for fatha open jaws. Ha, two counts long. Qa, qaf is heavy and the sound is short. Bil, for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Now we get sifat tawassut. The, gives up the ba in ba. When you are keeping the upper part of the tip of your tongue under the frontal two teeth, this gives the ba sound. If you are um, giving or you are removing that tongue from that place, then this will be removed. So be very careful. Put your tongue there first and then say this the. There is rakhawa. The, two counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws. Sa for fatha upon jaws. Khi, koi is heavy. Sin is light, so keep it light. And kha is heavy. Sa, khi, ru. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with dhamma or fatha, it is heavy. And for dhamma, circle ellipse and make it two counts long. Min, for kasra give e sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifat tawassun, then hukmuhu idhar. Idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma, two counts long. And long vowel is without gunna, without any nasal sound. Ma, ga, two counts long. No for the circle ellipse and make it two counts long. B for kasra give he sound. He, two counts long. Yes, give rakhawa on sin, give safir and make it light. Yes, the. So the rakhawa of sin and rakhawa of ha should be same length. Yes, the z for kasra give e sound. Un. Because of the svak, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is madarat le sukun. وَلَقَدِ اسْتُهْزِئَ بِرُسُلٍ مِّن قَبْلِكَ فَحَاقَ بِالَّذِينَ سَخِرُوا منهم ما كانوا به يستهزئون. قل, قاف is heavy for dhamma, circle ellipse attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut and keep lam light. Qul, si, two counts long. Uru, ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with dhamma or fatha, it is heavy. Here it is heavy and make it two counts long. Uru. So to make ra heavy, you're lifting your tongue up. You're circling your lips here because of the dhamma, not because of the ra. Uru. Feel for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Now you get sifa of tawassut. Hamza is sharp. Fatha open jaws attached to ra. Ra will get sifa of tawassut. And ra will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Look here. The for kasra give e sound. Thum for dhamma circle your lips at you will touch meme. Your lips should be in a straight position but not stretched behind. Just give them a normal position. Thum. And then there is ikhfa, and this ikhfa is heavy because gha is among heavy letters. ثم انظر for Dhamma circular lips. The sound is heavy and short. Wu, ru, ra is heavy for Dhamma circular lips. Make it 2 counts long. Kay, and this is yailin. You remember these lean letters? Vowelin and yalin. So here you are making it soft. Kayfa. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ka, 2 counts long. Na, for fatha open jaws. A, 2 counts long. Ti, for kasra give e sound and make off heavy. Ba, for fatha open jaws. Tul, for the circle ellipse is that lam. Lam you get sifa of tawassut. Mu, for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Kadh, this rakhawa give dal a nice rakhawa, and rakhawa is flow of sound. Kadhi for kasra give e sound. Been. Because of this fuck, you are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarat lisakun. قل سيروا في الأرض ثم انظروا كيف كان عاقبة المكذبين. قل قاف is heavy for the circle ellipse attached with lam. This is idgham without gunna. قل for kasra give e sound. Man. This is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Man, ma, 2 counts long. When we are stretching for 2 counts, we are not keeping the sound in our nose. This is without gunna. Ma, fees. For kasra give e sound attached. Seen will get sifa of It has safir and it is light. Ma, 2 counts long. Wa, 2 counts long. T for kasra give e sound. Well, makhraj of waw is circling your lips, but fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Hamza is sharp attached with ra. Ra will get sifa of tawassut, and it is heavy because there is fatha before it. And dot, because of this buff, we are giving sukoon here. And this is bringing in istatala. So you are showing istatala nicely here on dot. So this is tawassut and this is rakhawa. It has rakhawa and has istatala. So this sound should be longer than this ra. Qul. Qaf is heavy for dhamma, circle ellipse attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Qulli. And then attach with lam. Qulillah. Because of this work, you are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarat lis sukoon. Qulillah. Here, lafz jalala is light because there is kasra before it. Kataba, ka. Kaf is light. Ta. Ta is sharp. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ba. Majhura letter. So there should not be any escape of breath here. Otherwise, it will be turned into pa. This is not pa. This is ba. Kataba, ba. Ain from your throat. For fatha open jaws. La. 2 counts long. Naf. For fatha open jaws attached with fa. Vowel gets fa of hams. Nafsi. For kasra give e sound. Here. For kasra give e sound. Keep keep ha light, but ra is heavy. We tend to make ha heavy too because of ra. Be very careful. Here, this is ra is heavy and it will get tawassut. Ra. For fatha open. Rah. Sorry. Ruh for fatha upon jaws attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa, and it has humps. Ma for fatha upon jaws attached with ha. This ta, whenever we stop at circle ta, it is changed into ha. So this is ha now, and then we will give rakhawa because this is with sukun. La for fatha upon jaws. Yaji, you keep ya light for fatha upon jaws attached to jim. Jim will get sifa of qalqala, and this qalqala is very crisp and very sharp because it is majhura letter. There should not be any escape of sound breath here. Yaji, ma for fatha upon jaws. An, ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws attached to noon will get gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. قم for the circle ellipse attached with meme will get sifa of tawasut, and حكمه إظهار. E for kasra give E sound. La 2 counts long. Yaw, this is wow lean. So when you are attaching this fatha with wow, you are creating soft sound. Yaw, mil for kasra give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawasut. Qi for kasra give E sound. Ya, keep it light. 2 counts long. Ma for fatha upon jaws. T for kasra give E sound. La 2 counts long. Roi, again this is yailin. So you're making it soft. You're attaching fatha with ya. Here you're applying softness. Roi, ba for fatha upon jaws. Fi. Because of the swap, you are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarat li sukoon. Al, give hamza is very sharp for attached with lam. Lam will get spelled tawasut. La for fatha upon jaw. The give rokaba on zal, make it 2 counts long. Ba na for fatha upon jaws. Kha is heavy for fatha upon jaws. C for kasra give e sound. Ru, ra is heavy because there is dhamma on it. Whenever ra has dhamma or fatha, it is always heavy. And here it is mad arid. مد منفصل مد منفصل جائز, so make it 4 counts long. رو for fatha upon jaws, and there is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. So for light ikhfa, you are keeping your tongue straight, and you are aiming to touch makhraj of fa, but you are not touching it because you will touch it when you will pronounce it. Here, when there is a process of ikhfa, you are going very close to this makhraj, but you're not touching until you're saying this letter. Okay. So, fu for dhamma circle ellipse. The sound is short and give hums in fa. Se for fatha upon jaws. Hum for dhamma circle ellipse attached with meme. You will get sifa of tawasut and hukmuhu idhar. As you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. Fa give hums in fa for fatha upon jaws. Hum for dhamma circle ellipse attached with meme. You will get sifa of tawasut. La 2 counts long. You for dhamma circle ellipse attached with hamza. Hamza will the sound of hamza will be cut off because this is shadida letter. So shadid letter has it cuts off the sound. So you me for kasra give e sound. Noon, because of the swap we are giving temporary sukun on noon. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarat le sukun, and because of this sukun, noon will get tawassut. قل لمن ما في السماوات والأرض قل لمن ما في السماوات والأرض قل لله كتب على نفسه الرحمة ليجمعنكم إلى يوم القيامة لا ريب فيه الذين خسروا أنفسهم الذين خسروا أنفسهم فهم لا يؤمنون. وله ومخرج الفاء circle your lips for fatha upon jaws la for fatha upon jaws the sound is short, so the length of both letters should be straight same. Wala wala who for the ma circle let's make it 2 counts long, ma 2 counts long, sa for fatha upon jaws, ka for fatha upon jaws, na for fatha upon jaws. The all three letters have same length. Sakana feel for kasra give e sound attached with lam, lam gets pop tawassut. Lay, this is yailin, so make it soft. Layli for kasra give e sound. One makhraj of waw circling your lips, fatha open jaws attached with noon, noon gets off. Gunna, this gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ha. One na for fatha open your jaws. Ha. When we are giving, because of this one, we are giving sukoon on ra. Now ra will be heavy because there is fatha before it. And because of this temporary sukoon, we are turning this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarat sukoon. One for makhraj of waw circling your lips for fatha open jaws. Who for dhamma circle your lips, the sound is short. Was for fatha open jaws attached with sin, sin will get sapa prakhawa and safir and it is light. Was for fatha open jaws, mean 2 counts long. Ul ain from your throat for fatha for dhamma circle your lips attached with lam, lam will get sapa tawasut. As you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position but not don't stretch them behind. Roll ain from your throat for fatha of jaws. Because of this buff, you are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 count long vowel into 4. This is madarat sukun. Alim. وله ما سكن في الليل والنهار وهو السميع العليم. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.